In this video, we will learn how to get the square root of a given expression. A square root is a radical expression in which the index is 2. As shown in this general form of radical expression, the index 2 is written on the upper left of this radical symbol, and inside this radical symbol is the argument. In the case of square root, however, the index 2 is usually not written, such that the radical symbol itself is used to signify the square root. So this form or expression is read as the square root of the argument. Like any radical expression, the square root can be written in exponential form. For example, the square root of x to the a can be written as the argument x to the a raised to the exponent 1/2, which means getting the square root is the same as raising the argument or the argument to the exponent 1/2. We simplify this expression by multiplying the exponents a times 1/2, so you get x to the a divided by 2. Therefore, in general, getting the square root of a given argument is the same as dividing the given exponent by 2. If the given argument is a number, you can find the square root by simply thinking of a number that you can multiply by itself in order to get the given number. For example, this derivation proves that the square root of 25 is 5 because 5 times 5 or 5 multiplied by itself is equal to 25. If the given argument is a variable, simply divide the exponent by 2. Again, if you have the square root of x to the a, that is equal to x to the exponent a, divide that exponent by 2. Let's consider some examples. For example, you have the square root of 36. You know that, or you can write 36 as 6 times 6. So that's 6 multiplied by itself. Therefore, the square root of 36 is equal to 6. So you have to get the square root of m squared. Okay, that is equal to m to the 2, divide the exponent by 2, so you get m to the 1, or simply m. Let's say you have the square root of 25p squared. 25 can be written as 5 times 5. Then you have p squared. Therefore, the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of p squared is p to the exponent 2. Divide that exponent by 2, so you get 5 to the p1, or simply 5p. Another example, let's say you have the square root of 16x to the 4. 16 is 4 times 4, 4 multiplied by itself, therefore the square root of 16 is 4. Then how about the square root of x to the 4? So you write x to the exponent 4, then divide that exponent by 2, so you get 4x squared. Okay, finally, let's say you have the square root of 16, a to the 8. 16 is 4 times 4, right? Therefore, the square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of a to the 8 is a to the exponent 8. Divide that exponent by 2, you get 4 times a to the 4. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.